Good morning, students. So we are learning about sets, and today we are going to start with the practice set. One point four. So the first question: if n of a is equal to 15, n of b, that means number of elements present in b, is equal to 29, and n of a intersection b is given as 7, then what is A union B is given, sorry. We need to find out what is number of elements present in B, but the number of elements in A union B is given as 29. Okay, so how will you find out this n of A? You know the formula that number of elements present in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay, so let's substitute these values. So 29 is equal to 15 plus n of B minus 7. So this n of B is equal to 29 minus 15, and this minus 7 is plus 7. So let's find out the answer. So this is 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So number of elements present inside B is 21. Okay. Now let's solve the second problem. The second question is, in a hostel there are 125 students. Out of which 80 drink tea. 80 students drink tea. 60 students drink coffee. Write down along with me. And 20 students drink 20 students drink tea and coffee both. So I am going to write T plus C. Okay. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So there are such students which don't even drink tea or coffee. So how are you going to find it out? So if we assume that the number of students who drink tea is said A, okay, number of students who drink coffee is said B. If 80 students drink coffee and 80 students drinks tea and 60 students drink coffee, these are the two different sets, and their intersection, that means there are some students who drink both, are 20. Okay, now we need to know total how many students are drinking these beverages. Okay, and once we know that number, we are going to subtract that number from 125, and then we will get the number of students who do not drink even tea or coffee at all. Okay, so that means we need to find the union of these two sets, and once you find the union, you will get to know the number of students who are drinking tea or coffee. Okay, and you know the formula, that is A union B, number of students in this set A and B. Okay, what is the formula? Number of students present in A plus number of students present in B minus number of students present in A intersection B. So 80 plus 60 minus 20. This will give you 120. Okay, so that means the number of students who are drinking coffee or tea are 120 students. And how many students we have in hostel total? 125 students. Okay. So the number of students who are not at all drinking coffee or tea or coffee, no tea or coffee, okay, that means the number of students who don't drink, 125 minus 120, answer is 5. I hope you have understood. Now we are going to solve the third problem.